Hello, good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. And in this video, guys, today I'm going to continue from where we stopped previously. This is on how to build a like a bot website, like AI tools website, where what that can do everything for you. Like if you want to write a blog, you want to write a script, a video script, and the rest. If you know what ChatGPT can do, and this is what this site can do for you. Do you know why you are using ChatGPT API at the back end? All right, guys. This video is not for those that are watching for the beginning, like the first time watchers. Go and watch the previous video. It's done before this one. Yeah, just go to the main channel, you'll see that particular video. Watch it so that you can learn where we started, because this is a continuity of that particular video. So there will be a link inside this particular description so you can continue with it. Okay, if you're watching for the first time. So now, for those of you that have been watching this video and will continue it, but let me introduce myself for the newcomers. This is DS Web Code, and where we teach about no coding experience, how to build a platform without no coding experience. If this is your first time, smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification so you receive an update whenever I drop a new video. So let me dive into the admin panel, guys. Here is the admin panel, and this is the admin panel of it. So but when you land on this admin panel, you see a lot of things here. You see the images. These images are what you are seeing here. Like all these images you are seeing here are these images. Okay, so you can actually click here and then view the images that is being generated there. You can see it here. So these images are, because whatever they do on this front end, what your customers are doing on the admin panel, on their own customer dashboard, is going to be appearing on the admin panel. So total images being generated, total words being generated, total code being generated, total text to speech to text being generated. You're going to see everything here. Okay, here you can see all the templates. This is AI charts and voice and whatever. So you see it here, AI PDF charts. Okay, so you can interact with PDF and tell to this platform to generate you PDF. Maybe you have a PDF copy of your project. You say, okay, I want you to add so thing inside this PDF and remove so thing and correct it. This platform can actually do that for you. Yes. More, and even more than that, a level lab is also here, so which is text to speech or speech to text. Yes, a level lab is also here, and you can see here speech to text to speech, AI image, custom template, blog wizard, which is the baba. Like blog wizard is like if you're a newbie in blogging, write an article to your website and the rest, you just go here and put a title. Okay, let me show you guys example. Let me say generate full article. If I click the generate full article here, it's going to show me where to put my topic, like what did I want to write an article for, and I'm going to say write an article on so thing for me. It's going to write everything for me. If I say include the images, and it's going to add the images, which I'll just copy and paste it on my own blog, and I'm good to go. So if I say topic here, I say write article based on this. How many numbers of keyword I want it to generate? That's okay, generate up to 20 keywords each side. So generate up to 20. Which language? I say okay, English, and I will say generate. Or I can also put my own keyword that I have specific here, and then click next. So my battery is down. What's bunch? So I was okay, continue. So that is what this particular platform is. And you can see here AI rewriting. I can rewrite and other articles. Okay, I can write other articles. Now, if I rewrite other articles, it will now like become original content. Okay, it will become original content. So if I come down here to text to speech, so I paste text and it will convert it to voice. I can choose the any type of voice that I want. AI code, if I want to generate code, AI detector. Let's say you write some content and it's going to show that people want to know if this content will be written by AI and the rest. So this AI detector can do it. Plagiarism, you can say AI plagiarism checker. So this is it here. So now this is the your own custom settings. Okay, So here you can see your customers are your employing staffs. So if you want to have different people working under you, you can click here to add those people that you want to work to be working under you. Okay, so let's wait and see. Let's see load. All right, guys. Here now is a place where we can now add their employee. Okay, you can see it here, employee staff. So you can come to add here. So when you click the add, it's going to ask you to add their email and the names you want to give them, and you click add. So now let's move to our main step. Okay, so now we are on the control panel, okay, which you all know. So here is support, where people are going to support tickets, okay. So query, so there you are going to answer people support. So here is tag, so you are going to add tags for your blogs. Okay, if you click the tags here, okay, it's loading. All right, here you are going to add tags. So you can type in the tags here, whatever you want to add, and then you put comma, and then you add more. So that's how you're going to add tags. So you can call that is adding the new tags. So the tags you add is going to appear here, and remember this tags is to help you to rank. Okay, so here is your blog. So here you can write blog, category of blog, pages, frequent asked question, manage your media, and here you can do all that, newsletter, you can do all that, AI settings. So this is the one of the main important places as well, this AI settings here. So let's wait while this AI setting loads. So this AI setting here is the way we are going to put our open AI that is going to do the magic, okay, for the front end for the customers. So at here you're going to add whatever you want to add. Okay, here maximum results per blog, so you can go and add here if you like. If you want people to generate maximum result that people can generate, if you want to add it. So bad word, like word that you don't want your website to generate, you can add that thing here. So you make sure that all these ones are turned on. Okay, so you select text to speech. Well, which model do you want? You just select the model available. This is your AI here, so you select AI model here. You select, make sure that it's on this default setting. You say maximum token for model, you can like, you can leave this one empty. So you come here, your AI, open AI secret key, so it's very important to add. So now how do you get that? You just go to open AI. So let me search on that for you and show you example. So you just type, you see it here, openai.com. So type it together, or you can just type in openai. You're going to see this first one, openai.com, and you're going to click this openai.com. It's going to show like this, okay? So you're going to sign in. Registration is free, just sign in. Then they will ask you to verify, and then you put your phone number, and you are going to get a place like this. And here is the AI, you like the AI key. If I click generate like this, I put the name, and then click project, select all, make sure that it's on all, and then click generate. It's going to generate a code for me, which I'm going to input in inside this place. So you can generate, you can create multiple accounts, 5 6 7 10 accounts, and then add all of them here. Okay, if you like, you can create up to 100 accounts, it's your choice, and then add all the keys here. But if you are creating 100 accounts, that means you need 100 ATM card. Yes. Why do you need a ATM card? You need a master or visa card to just add. You are not paying anything, just add it. Okay, they are not charging you. Just add the ATM card. It will to just help your site running smoothly. So you're adding the ATM card to the open AI billing. Okay, you're adding to the open AI billing. So you come to the settings here, and you go to the billing, and you add your card. You come to the setting, go to the billing, then you here, you now click add payment details. You just click here and then add it. Okay, so after you have done all those settings there, then you're going to click, if you come to add the multiple, anyone you add, you click add, and save all that. And that is how you're going to, then you are done with the adding the API. So you come to this plagiarism checker API. So you're going to come down the here, also we need an API for that as well. So the reason why I'm taking you guys through this in-depth tutorial is that I don't want you guys to complain. Like, I want it to work for you. Okay. So when you come here, you will need an API that we need to add on this particular place. So what you need to do is to click this connect here. You need to okay. So when you just click it, it's going to take you to an API recommendation. So this is the API recommendation. Then you can continue with your Gmail, or you click I don't have like new to this, and then you click this new and then sign up and fill in your details, okay? And then copy your API key and come and paste here and then save, okay? So the API key is gonna look like this, then just save, and that is all. So you are done from here. Next step, we need to move to the next step here. So if you come to this update, here is where you are going to check what is the latest version, or which latest version that is updated or available now. So that is where you're going to know that. So you're going to know that from here. Well, let's wait while it loads. You can see we are on the current version. Okay, we're on 4.7, which is the current version. So that is what we are operating currently. Yes. So you come to text to speech test your settings. You can do your settings here, whatever settings you want to do there. You can go and do it on this particular place. Now, where this thing we need to now check okay, let me just show you guys this application here. You are going, this is the home page. So this home page here, let me show you guys. You need to also change logo, okay? Because you need to put input, remove this particular logo displaying here like this, design your own logo and put, okay? You don't want people to know that you are using this. You want your software to look different. So design your own logo and input, okay? So let's wait while it loads. Okay, so now it has load successful. Now this particular place, you can say whatever you need. Just ask, this one is okay, this name here, change it to your own name. Okay, change it to your own name, don't leave it on right bots, change it to your own name. So here, check anywhere you see right bot, change it, remove right bot for anywhere you see it and put in your own name. So start writing, it is free, leave it like that. This one is here, this homepage picture, this picture that you see here. This picture you are seeing here, you can remove this picture. Like, you can design your own picture if you like. Design a picture, make sure your own picture when you are designing, you can download this particular picture and change this logo here and put in your own logo inside there. Do you understand me? Download it and put in your own logo there and upload it here. And if you are doing it, make sure please it's on PNG or JPEG. Okay. um you come here, this animation, if you want to change it, you can just remove it. You don't, if you don't want it, to me, you can just change it. Then scroll to the top. Yeah, this other one, you can add any other picture here that people will use to scroll to the top and then save. So that's all there. So let me move to another place that you need to change something again. I'm sorry the video is getting long, but the thing is that all these things I'm showing you is what you need, because you can't do without it. You need to set your site proper and make it look different. I hope you know that. So here are the things showing on your home page. If you want to change those things showing on your home page, you just click here, click all this icon here at the side. You make changes to whatever you want to change. So if you come to the about us, this about us here, you can now change, write anything about the company that's now owned by you, because this platform now is owned by you and it is secret within yourself. You don't want anybody to know how you get your code, right? So write your story, write how you find out this, write your inspiration, whatever this software is working. So just write it. You can tell AI to do that for you. It's not a big deal. Go to chat.openai, chatgtp.openai, and then write a story for your this. Tell him that write me a story for AI tools that can help to generate so things and so things, or everything you need online, and it's going to write the story for you. So if you come to this header here, you're going to find a logo, if I'm not mistaken. So okay, yeah, see here, you're going to design your logo, upload your white logo here, make sure this one is white. If it's not white, you can make it black, or you can make it gray, whatever color you want to make your logo here. Then make your the main color of your logo to be on this. So here should be like whatever you want it to be, like putting your timeline. So any template you want it to show from the home, video, and whatever you want. Then you click save. Okay. So if you come to the footer, also at the footer, we also need to do some changes there. Yeah, it's loading. All right, on the footer here, we need to come here, then make changes. Oh, then put in your site name, developed, and or whatever. So copyright, whatever. Just make your changes here. Remove this one, guys. Make sure you remove it. Yeah, remove it. Your terms and condition should be here. Your privacy policy also should be here. So select your terms and condition privacy policy there and then save. So team settings, you come to your team settings here. If you come to your team settings, all right, we're waiting for it. It's loading. All right, this is your team settings. Remember, I was telling you guys that um sorry, the first one we need some it was by help of code. The reason is that the team that's activated on there wasn't a new team, and this is the second team. That one was a default team, so you just need to make sure you accept. You click on this second team, okay, and then just come here, activate now, and your site is going to look more amazing. Yeah, I told you that. So let me refresh here. It's going to look all these things, everything is going to look amazing because we are on now on premier team. Okay, so we are on premier team and everything is going to look amazing. So that's why I say change this logo. You see it here, you see the way it's doing. So it needs to be your own logo, your company. You understand? So I'm still going to where how you are going to make money. Oh yeah. So make sure you don't skip any parts. How do you see this? This thing look more advanced. Okay, you see the text animation here. So you can see it here, it look more advanced. So you can then use this, the homepage you need to use to activate here. How do you see it? It look more advanced. So you activate this homepage that come with this dark and beautiful mode. Okay, you activate it, it look more mature, more excellent. Yeah, so we have activated that here. You are going to see that under the team settings. Okay, so now we are not going to we now have roles and permission for those that are working for you. So if you click on it, you're going to see roles and permissions that you want to give people, like privilege. Whenever I give privilege, don't give at me, well, not your company is gone. You fight tire. That is not okay. We don't pray for that anyway. Loading. All right, on this rule here, you can see here there's no rules here because it's like this, and you're going to click this add new rule here and you give the permissions. And let me go to system settings now. So we'll move to system settings. On system settings, we're going to see the general settings, the template setting, the cron job is very important to set. Okay, on system settings here you do other settings that is required here. But okay, let me show some settings on the system settings. Just network has starts misbehaving, getting slow, and but I won't, because of that I stopped jumping some things I need to show you guys. All right, this was the system setting here. Make sure you change this to your website name, the name you want to give your website. Make sure you change it and then leave this one like this. Okay, this separated with this, let him be like that. Then your admin URL you want it to display on the website, add it here. Your phone number you want to display, add it there, and make sure it's able. So after you have done all that, here you add another logo here. This one is going to show the footer logo. See here, dark logo. Okay, and then the light, which is the white logo, and this icon that is going to show all these things showing here, that's going to show on the up search is the icon. Okay, you add it. Okay, you scroll down, leave it this on disabled. This is the maintainer mode. When you on it, your site will be offline, so make sure it's disabled. So let's all this one your SEO. So make sure you copy this thing like this, and then paste it on ChatGPT and put your name of your website and what your website is all about. Tell him to generate this for you. It will generate for you, and then you put it here, and also generate a description, meta tag description, and also paste the keyword of your site. Paste it here, and the meta tag picture, the picture you want it. If they post your website on Facebook, what type of picture you want it to load, you can add it here. So do all these necessary changes here. Please do not touch here and do not touch here. Okay, these two places is for expert coders, so please don't touch it, don't touch this one as well. So don't touch those places, please, because I wouldn't like you to start dropping complaints that is not necessary. So don't touch those three places. If you want to touch it, give it to professional coders to help you. So here is the Google Analytics. Okay, copy your Google Analytics. Go search Google Analytics on Google and sign up and do every necessary detail. Copy your tracking ID and paste here. And then here is how you are going to make money from Google. Copy this Google AdSense. I will show you guys how to create Google AdSense account in my next video. So copy Google AdSense and then paste on Google, and then create AdSense, and then copy your AdSense code, your AdSense code, and then paste in here, and then make sure you make it able. Okay, and able it, and then click save. So but the first time you just launch the website, please do not paste this first, because they will not monetize it. Allow your site to run up to a month, okay, to get indexed before you can do this Google AdSense of a thing. You start making money from Google AdSense. So this subscription settings, okay, this subscription, so you can then look at it. Wow. So you can say, okay, they want their balance to be carried over. You click it, and this is for a prepaid balance. So, and all this, just add icon here, your scroll icon. So when you come to these payments here, on this payment, you are going to set up your payment method. Okay, you're going to set up how people are going to subscribe to your website for using it. So here we have different method here. PayPal, you can set up PayPal, set up Flutterwave, set up Paystack. If you're in Nigeria, Paystack and Flutterwave is the best option for you. PayPal, if you're in, you can also do PayPal so that foreigners can use this thing as well. So set up 1, 2, 3. If you have Stripe, that is very good, but I know it's not easy to get Stripe in Nigeria. So set up 1, 2, 3. If you want offline payment, people can pay with different other method. You can then set up this one as well. But if you have any means of getting another payment method here, I would recommend you set up this Razor Pay or this. Okay. This. Okay, this fifth one would be more best recommended if you have access to them. Yeah, and that is all you can. This is the, as I've explained to you guys, this is the payment setting which you can choose anyone you want. So what you just need is to click it, and it will open the settings. Okay, let me just show you guys few sample. I really want to end the video, but let me continue showing you guys some things. So here, add your public key from Paystack, and then here, add your secret key from Paystack, and this is the callback. Okay, this is the callback. You see, this is the callback URL. So just copy it and then paste. So this is the currency code. So and then click able. So that is how you done with the settings. If it's Flutterwave, the same thing. Add everything here and then click able. If it's paper, click your client ID, secret, able, and live. That is all. So now, after that, this is offline payment. If you want to do offline payment, which is this is the offline payment. Click the add a picture as bank picture. Click able. When you do able it and then save it, you come down and click this offline payment, and then do perform some settings on this offline payment section there. You do some settings there. So multi-currency. So if you come and click this multi-currency here, let's wait while it loads. On that multi-currency, you can do some settings there. Okay, guys, let me use this opportunity to ask you guys to subscribe to this channel. Okay, if you have not done that, please go and subscribe to this channel so you can get notification whenever I drop new video, and go and like this video if you find this video helpful. Okay, so here is a multi-currency. So here, dollar, US dollar, active. So you can come here and add new currency. So here, your currency name, add the currency name here, currency symbol, currency code, that is your the code, then the rates. Okay, $1 equals to what? So you just add it here and then add and save. Okay, so default currency, you can choose a default currency of your site. So default currency is dollar. Okay, so what is the rate of $1? $1 equals to how much you add it. So you can add multiple currency. Okay, add multiple currency, because you don't know which country people are going to come from and patronize you. Use default currency as dollar, then add multiple currency, which the dollar can be converted and then work for other payment platform. Okay, so now let's move ahead to which step again. I think the ultimate. Wait, wait, load. So this one is actually, you don't really need to do anything here. Okay, you don't really need to do anything here. Debug mode. So clear cache, clear log. You can come here once in a while and do all those. So come here. This multilingual is not really important. But to those of you that may be watching my country from maybe India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, other Arab country, French, Spain, Spanish, you can just decide that, okay, you want to make your this thing multilingual language, or you can decide to even add it for people that may be coming from all those countries to patronize you. You can decide to add the multilingual language by come here, add new language, and then add a new language. Set up your default language to be English. Make sure you do that. All right, so we have already done payment method, currency, and then this PWA is to set up your web application. I don't think I'm going. You just go there and you see it. It's not hard. Add your logo, design a logo for it, and just that is just it. Design a logo and upload. It's for people to be able to save your website to a home screen as a application. Okay, so just go and do that. So let's wait and then open this particular one. SMTP is very, very important to set SMTP, because you are going to send email to your clients. So SMTP is very important. Okay. So here is the SMTP. So, and if you don't have SMTP set up, so you can just click send mail. So, or you just can set up send mail, or I recommend you setting up SNTP. So this is SNTP host, ports, and the rest. So just make sure you watch other videos on how to do this, or maybe if you guys want me to do video setting up SNTP, you guys should drop a comment in the comment section. I will show you guys how to create a SNTP from your cPanel. Okay, so this is your OTP. So setting up your OTP, you need to go for paid subscription on an OTP, which if you don't, you are just starting and you don't have clients yet, you don't have much money yet, I would recommend not setting up OTP, because you need to pay for that, and putting much money when you are not yet making anything is not that advice. So make sure your SNTP is off. So we are using Trilio, and that is if you want to set up. So you just go to Trilio and then set up your Trilio SID, your token, your Trilio number for sending, and then save, and that is all, and you're done. So now this auto setting, like setting up social media login. So let me show you guys about setting up social media login. All right, this is it here. You can say, okay, email, like say email required, activation required. You want people to email for email activation, or you want it OTP, and then you say send welcome email after registration. You say able, So you can now put the title here or the time or whatever. Then you just do all the settings here. Get started with free credit. You can just write how many free credits you are giving out for free. Then your two-factor authentication, which all those things I used to show you on website. Am I a robot? I'm not a robot. All those on that. So you can set it up here. Okay. So just go to Google, just type in this Google two-factor authentication v3, and it will take you to how you can set it up and create that account. Just copy this thing and then bring in here. And if you guys want me to do video personally on this, you can just comment on the comment section. I will do that. Okay. If I get up to 10 comments on this, I will do it. And if you want me to do a particular video on any application or any software or any coding or any site you want to build, look alike, drop it at the comment section. And if they vote on that particular comment, it's up to 20, 10, and I will do the video. So storage settings, if you come to storage settings here is where you do some storage settings. Okay. And although you don't really, even though if you leave everything on default, it's fine because you are still starting up. And when your site start growing, start having a lot of people patronizing you, you can go ahead with all this. Okay, for now you can just leave it if you like. So just go to local storage. Local storage, what is local storage? This local storage is going to be installed on your cPanel. Okay, so your cPanel is what is handling all this. But if you don't want your cPanel to handle it, you just go and activate this particular one. So this is it here. So this is AWS. This AWS is Google Web Service. So Google Web, Amazon Web Service. I'm sorry, Amazon Web Service. So the AWS S3. Okay, which is buckets, and you can go to the bucket name, bucket, the secret access key and the rest, region, which country, which location are you hosting on. So you can go on this, you can get 1 year free on this particular Google, Amazon service. Yeah, 1 year free, and it will help you. Okay, after 1 year you can then do pay as you go. So we are talk about Google settings. So let me go to cron job. On cron job, all right, on this cron job you must set up a cron job just like this. Okay. And how do you set up this cron job? Go to your Google, your web hosting, and then type in this cron job on your search bar inside your web hosting. When you type in this cron job, then you just go and see the example of this. Okay, so this is it. You just go copy this thing and then go and input in it. So and you want your result, your rule to be 2 to 3 times per hour. So this thing is very helpful for your subscription. Okay, so make sure you set it up. Okay, so I think what else do we need? All right, here is affiliate system. Okay, so configure your affiliate system so that people can promote the website for you and make commission, and also you also go make more money, so everybody wins. Okay, affiliate marketing is where somebody promotes your platform and then they earn commission. You can set 20%, 10%. 10% is okay. Okay, 20% is okay, but don't go beyond that, because when time goes on, after the free account that you created the API to use around this site, you must upgrade later on, because when your site start growing, you must start paying for open AI for them to continue giving you this service. Okay, so when you're paying them, you're making profit, everybody wins. Okay, so if you come to the settings here, it says 20% or 10%. Minimum amount that they can withdraw, you can set up $50, the minimum amount that they can withdraw, and enable it. And then payment method, you can say, okay, you want to pay them with Paystack, you want to pay them with Paystack, and then click it able. You want to pay them with Paystack, you want to pay them with bank transfer, and that is it. And just click save. Okay, now let's go to another most important place. How do you make money from the subscription? So see, as you come to the subscription here, subscription history and the rest, subscription settings, packages. So you come to these subscription settings or the packages. Let's look at the subscription settings first. So this is subscription settings. You can see auto activate new package expire old package. So if old package expired, you want the people to automatically activate to new package, but you want actually to let them do it manually, right? If you then you can just leave this, but if you say auto, then you click all this and make sure all this thing is activated. So you just turn all this thing on. Then you come to this place, new package. So new package purchase auto. So you just leave all this. I've done with all this. So we'll just come down to this subscription package. So on this subscription package, that is where you can create a different package for it. So I'm just going to give a sample so you can then refresh the display place and see what it's going to look like. So let's wait for it to load. All right, here is the free package session. Let's say I just want everything to be like this. This is just testing. Just go and twist it how you want it. Okay, I say activated, and I'm going to say activated, and it's going to be activated. Okay, so here make sure you say okay, you are giving 1,000 words, you're giving this, you're giving that, you're giving this. So make sure you limit them. Okay, make sure you give a lot of limitation on this, because say free support is okay. No, I'm not giving you guys support when you're on free package. I'm not giving on lifetime support when you're on free package. This is the model of this you're using and whatever. And you now come, it's okay, you cannot generate more than 10 images on the free package. You just give this a lot. You cannot generate AI code on free package and the rest. You cannot do all this, and that is it. Now let's do another, create a new package. Okay, because we don't have existing one and we want to create, this is monthly package. I'm go, we don't have existing, so let's just go to and create a new. I don't have an existing, so I'm just going to give a title to this package. I'm going to say PPP PPP new package. Yeah, let me just leave it like that, just a sample. So I'm just going to say people are going to pay $25 on this package. $25 on this package to get it. So I'm going to say, okay, you're going to have access to everything here. Okay, you're going to have access to everything. Okay, I want them to have access to everything. Let me just say so. But you are going to twist it. You're going to look other people's own. I hope you guys understand. So I want, okay, they're going to have all limited to monthly words, writing, and the rest all limited to image generating. So I'm going to give all this, tick mark all these things like this. Okay, so you don't need to this, all these tick mark have to be on your highest package, which was supposed to be around 40 to 50 or $60. Okay, before you can give access to all these things. Okay, if it's not that, please don't give. So I want to say they can also have discount of 7% on this, 7% on this particular package. So now let me go and save this package, guys. Let me save this package. I think I'm done with this package. I believe it's supposed to save now. Let me go and refresh the homepage. So I'm refreshing the homepage. So there we're going to see now this package is supposed to be active. Okay. So you can see it here. The package is now active. Okay, this is the free package and this is the premium package. Okay, so you can set up to 4 packages. Okay, so this should be basic. Basic, you have a free, it has basic. If you like, you just put only free trial, 7 days free trial, then no free. You put 7 days free trial or 14 days free trial. Now have the basic, you have pro, and you have ultimate. Okay, so you can set up all that. Okay, so So this is actually how you're going to make money. When people buy this package, you're making this amount of money. Okay, so you're going to make this money when people are buying your services. So guys, I hope this video has been helpful so much, and you really need to smash the like button and also smash the subscription button if you have not done that, because you're going to get much value on how to make fast money on the internet from my method, guys. Thank you guys for joining me, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace out.